Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 9th, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. So we had pretty nice surge to the upside today. S&P 500 broke up this consolidation. It goes above this supply area, as I said. Like market just did a pause here for 2 days consolidation, and today the great price action to the upside. Market is kind of like a poised for another double top or even the all-time high. So I believe that the next pullback, which is going to be a great buying opportunity, and you should take it as like a buy in the dip. So scenario is going to happen. The only concern that I have is a stochastic is in overbought, but again, it doesn't mean that market is going to fall off the cliff just because stochastic when a stochastic is in overbought. This means that market has a fantastic kind of like a momentum to the upside. The reason that everyone just paying attention on this, just sometimes when it cross over to the downside, we should just see the sell signal. But it doesn't mean that if it is in overbought condition, we are gonna get a sell signal. It depends on the trend, folks. So if you haven't watched my video on a stochastic and how to use it, make sure watch that video. I'm gonna just find the link and put it up there, so you can just have it. But basically, this is the rule of thumb. If you have uptrend, any buy signal, which is a stochastic oversold, that's going to be a perfect buying opportunity. If you are bear trend, any overbought condition, which gives you kind of like a sell the rip opportunity, that's going to be a sell opportunity. Right now, we are getting back into overbought condition. As you see here, we kind of like have a big uptrend. So this is kind of like a down wave. And this is the down wave that we were looking for. Uptrend, looking for buying opportunity. So this is perfect buying opportunity. When it is in downtrend, so any rip could be kind of like a sell opportunity. I hope it is clear to everyone. But if you haven't seen my video on stochastic and how we should use it, you just need to go to this link up there. So I'm gonna put it up there. All right. Let's move on to Nasdaq, which kind of like a 74.5 points to the upside. Nasdaq is getting back just slightly above this trend line. It's just broken above this. This is still in a bullish consolidation phase. Tomorrow, which is going to be Friday, which is going to be a big day. So I believe that Nasdaq can go all the way up to here, which is going to be 18,000, somewhere around 300. So that's going to be the level that I'm looking for. Nasdaq, and it can just getting to the back to the upside. So this is kind of like a perfect scenario for Nasdaq. I believe that any dip by could be bought by buyers. So the dip is going to be, the potential dip is going to be here, 17,500 to 17,800. That's going to be kind of like a dip scenario, but I don't see any like a further pullback. I was looking for kind of like ABC down. Seems like this is kind of like A, B, C down, which is not complete, which is not favorable. Or some people are saying, I don't know, about like a correction. This is going to be A wave, this is going to be B wave, and C wave doesn't fulfill. Like sometimes we just get a premature C wave and then market just getting back to the upside. However, this is a very, very nice W pattern, very classical W pattern shape that you can just ascending W pattern, and the market just get above this trend line, so we can see more upside is coming. And 19,000 is going to be around the table somewhere around the summertime, as summer rally is going to start in June, so we can see more upside is coming down the road. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones, fantastic W pattern. This is kind of like a perfect shape for W pattern. You see that, so this is coming down, up, and then down, and then, so this is a perfect scenario for Dow. Dow already broken up above this supply area. We got into this important kind of like a topping phase, the previous new all-time high topping phase. So for sure, we should see some kind of like a pullback consolidation, but that's going to be kind of like a digestive move after this phenomenal rally to the upside. And after that, we can see we should expect some kind of like a rally to the upside. So this is going to be a perfect scenario for Dow. Moving on to gold, which is kind of like a rocking today as we expected. So gold is kind of like a performing very, very nicely. This ending diagonal formed, and we just got a buy signal today. I believe that this buy signal can go above this, and this pivotal point can go 2490 or 2500 down the road. So this is going to be interesting. The leader for today for precious metals was here. So silver, I believe that just at 3.61% to the upside. Fantastic move. Silver already broken up its ending diagonal. This is nice. A bull flag, and bull flag just triggered to the upside. We can see some kind of like a hiccups here. Lots of sellers are going to be here, but that's going to be like a choppy consolidation. That would be a perfect scenario for a next rally to the upside. So just keep an eye on this. When we have a good momentum, market needs to digest it, and it's kind of like a giving its time to have more rally. Crude, just a volatile day, but eventually ended up positive. So 33 points to the upside. We just got a buy signal yesterday. The buy signal just confirmed today as well. So crude is under its way for 81, 82, and then eventually 84. I believe that 87 and 92 is coming down the road, but it's going to be choppy. It's not going to be a straight line, but I should say if it goes above 82, we can see some kind of like a more momentum to the upside. Moving on to Bitcoin, individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin just had an uptick today, 2.13% to the upside. Not a bad price action, still holding very, very good a bull flag here. Guys, this is a fantastic bull flag. If it goes down, another deep down, that would be a perfect scenario for buy. If it doesn't, see this level, because if you break above this 64, 66, I believe that Bitcoin is just initiated another rally to 100,000. So that's going to be my call for this summer. Potentially by end of this year or this summer, we can see Bitcoin 100,000. So this is just a multi-VIX buy opportunity. Just take it if you are kind of like an investor in this asset class as well. Bond yield is coming down, forming a bear flag. Pretty nice bear flag. Seems like CPI number is going to be down, and market seems like it, especially precious metals, because the form that bond yield is here, I believe that CPI is going to be down number based on the chart. So we can see the CPI is going to go down. It's going to just accelerate demand for treasury, which is having inverse correlation with this. And I believe that if it goes above 92, this bull flag can trigger finally to the upside. And I believe that 105, that's going to be my target for end of this year. So we will see how it goes with this name, but eventually I believe that this trend is going to be broken. More upside is coming for treasury. VIX is coming down 2% today. So VIX is just getting back to this $11 to $12 area. Dixie coming down, dollar index is kind of like along with bond yield. This one is coming down as well. Moving on to magma indicator, just getting back to the upside. I don't see any pullback. I just see consolidation and then new all-time high. Apple, $1.83 up today. Pretty good price action, 1% up. Apple can go above 188 as well. If it goes above it, 190, 193 is coming down the road. Amazon, just the rejection from the all-time high here. So new all-time high for Amazon, new closing all-time high just registered today. And this is fantastic. Meta is just going up. This is kind of like a gap fill. And I believe that consolidation is coming, but this is not going to be a sell signal. I should say correction could be buying opportunity. Microsoft, uptick today, $1.78 up, not a bad price action. Google, 58 cents up, still consolidating for a next rally. Netflix, $2.63 up. This one just open up higher, coming down, and then coming back again to positive territory. So this is still fine. And Tesla, $2.75 down today. So Tesla doesn't follow the industry. So Still weak. If we get above this $200, just mark it up on your chart. $200 is going to be a massive threshold for Tesla. If it goes above this trench, this means Tesla is getting back to bullish momentum. 250, 265 is going to be on my radar. Moving on to semiconductor index, SMH. This is a nice bullish consolidation is forming here. So SMH still within this below trend line, but this bullish consolidation, let it do its things. And then if it breaks up, it's going to just go higher and higher pretty nicely. SOX, the same pattern here, 82 cents down, the same pattern, exactly the same pattern. Taiwan Semiconductor is the same pattern as well. So this one is just broken up, but it needs to go above this pivotal point. AMD, it's kind of like the same pattern here. So this dominated trend line is broken. Right now, we just see another trend line here, which is going to be this trend line. So if it goes above this, especially if it goes above 160, I should say, this one gets back to the bullish momentum as well. NVIDIA, just a bullish consolidation. This one just needs to digest, and then a next move is coming after that. Texas Instrument, fantastic move. Like this one is leading right now in semiconductor area. $1.37 up. Lam Research, $5.74 down today. Still a consolidation here. Moving on to XLF, 31 cents up today. XLF. Banks are doing fantastic. KBE, the same pattern here. I believe that it's just above this area, and that this multi-VIX consolidation. This is one of the perfect scenario for $54. So right now we are at 47. I believe that large cap bank ETF, they can go higher as well. This is pretty good pattern. KRE already broken up to the upside. And the regional banks are leading slightly just beneath of the KBE, but regional banks are doing better. GIP Morgan, pretty nice move, $1.85 up. Goldman Sachs, new all-time high again, fantastic move, $8.61 up. Bank of America, 53 cents up today. Wells Fargo, 5 cents up, not a bad price action. And GDX, look at that. So gold miners, yes. Gold miners, yes. So they're just going higher. We had a very, very good actually portfolio. Lots of my subscribers today, we just celebrating very, very quietly just because gold miners did fantastic. 3.51% to the upside. When miners and gold are doing very, very well, this means this rally is just started or kind of like a continuing. GDXJ, the same pattern here, this consolidation, I believe that broken up today. AEM 2.75% to the upside, fantastic higher high today. Newmont 3% to the upside, great move, establishing itself above 42, 44. That's going to be the next trench. If it goes above that 46 and 52 is coming down the road. Franco-Nevada, $1.04 up. A doji bar still dealing with this important resistance here. Consolidation, then 134, 136 is coming. Gold Barrick, 31 cents up. This is lagging. We sold out already this mine just because it is lagging. And when we have a Newmont, when we have Franco-Nevada, and when we have Agnico Eagle, no place for a new Gold Barrick. But so far, it's just continuing with this rally, but lagging compared to the other names. Moving on to the last sector for today, XLE going up at $1.25 up. Seems like forming a pretty nice bullish pattern here. So I was waiting for another dip for a final dip for a rally, but seems like this is going to be it. So this is the final dip here. So it didn't form out three drives. Still, three drives are going to be around the corner, but if it goes above this pivotal point, there is no three drive pattern. Just to get back to the bullish momentum, and a pullback could be a buying opportunity. OIH, $5.73 up. Exxon, $2.73 up today as well. Chevron, $2.91 up. Fantastic move for Chevron. So Chevron goes above 167. I was absolutely wrong on this. I was looking for Chevron lower price here, but seems like it was wrong, which is fine. So I didn't short it. I just let me share with you, I bought Oxy. So a while ago, that was in my portfolio. My subscribers already have it. So not orange juice. This is orange juice. Let me just show you the Oxy chart as well here. See, Occidental. Yeah, so this is pretty good chart. And as you see here, this is one of my favorite. And this is a monthly chart, folks. Look at the multi-months opportunity. So we bought it, and my average is around $60, which is for a while ago, like last, I should say 2022, 23, we bought it. And we hold it just because this pattern is very, very bullish. So when I say this, I should say energy stocks can outperform, especially this name, Oxy. So this is kind of like a gift to you all, because this one just announced to my subscribers. But Oxy, we have it in our portfolio, and a weekly chart as well. So you see that this is kind of like a broken back test, perfect juicy scenario for buy. So take it if you like it, take it. All right, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.